Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the dopest e-commerce trends out there. Just kidding, but it is a really powerful trend. And I'm also going to be sharing a store that is completely crushing it to pair with the trend because, that's typically what we do here. I'm trying to give you guys some good business ideas and back them up with some solid Google data. So the store that I'm talking about is called Control Freak. If you've never heard about it, then you probably are not a gamer, and that may or may not be a good thing. So this store is getting, easily 200,000 monthly visitors. So I think it's safe to say 250K a month is a good number for this store. And what they sell is gaming gear, but more specifically gaming controllers, and not just gaming controllers either. It's also thumbsticks. So gaming controllers, obviously, as you see on Google Trends, pop-off trend continuously rising. And if we take a look at just gaming as well, boom, super pop-off trend. And guys, the reason why I'm sharing this with you, you may not know, but if you're watching this channel, you're probably looking to start a business or you like business. I love business. That's why I talk about this stuff. And one of the best ways to come up with business ideas is just to look at good opportunities like this, for example, right? We see gaming popping off and then trying to think of problems that people within this category have, and then simply creating products around those problems. That's how most of the biggest businesses get founded. In fact, this is a cool thing to think about. The biggest businesses in the world typically solve the biggest problems. That's why, for example, even like boring ass businesses like waste management, right? That sounds disgusting, right? But it's a huge problem. Somebody needs to figure that out. Like, how are we going to manage all the waste that we have? So a lot of those companies are worth billions and billions of dollars because it's a huge problem. Now, this is what's cool about this store, is that they can actually target all of these different categories of people. So they can continue to niche down further and further into each particular game, right? So for example, maybe people in Call of Duty are more likely to buy this stuff, or maybe they'll give you a higher return on ad spend, let's say if you're running ads, than people who play Apex Legends or than people who play GTA. So this is what's cool about the gaming niche, is that there's so many different categories of people because there's so many different games out there. And people are so passionate about their particular games that, you could even niche down further and further. And that's actually a great idea, by the way. If you're starting a Shopify store, which you should with the link in the description, you're going to be able to get a really good deal and you're going to be able to help the channel out. So I'll give you a second to start your store for free. Thank you. But niching down is always a good idea. The more broad you go, the harder it's going to be. It's much better to start very niche down, find a really good group of people that are passionate, that are going to love your products, and then start expanding outwards, as opposed to like going really broad and then niching down. It's going to be a lot harder, especially with more and more people getting into the e-commerce space. So I'm guessing this is one of their best sellers. This is a really nice description. I mean, it's super clean. They got a nice sticky add to cart button, which is a really good addition to have in your store. I mean, this is like a conversion optimization tip right there, is to have an add to cart button, because a lot of people, they don't scroll down, but if they do, they don't want to scroll back up to click add to cart. So they want to just have the add to cart button right there. And as you see, these people are having a good time with this product. Like, people are liking it, which is always nice. People from Germany are even buying this, so that's interesting. And that's another interesting trend right there, which is just selling internationally or trying to create a business in a different country, because then there's even less competition. But super clean store, and as you can see, they're running a lot of different ads. I would love to run ads for a brand like this. Like I said, there's so many different games that you could target. There's so many different kinds of creatives that you can make, and clearly this brand knows that, and that's why they're running a ton of ads. I really would love to see what their strategy looks like, but I'm sure they know what they're doing. Same with TikTok. I mean, TikTok ads are even better than Facebook in some cases. Not always though, but that would be really fun too, to run TikTok ads for a brand like this. They're actually starting to do pretty well on TikTok. They're just posting more and more. It's kind of cool. And they're absolutely huge on Instagram. So this is where their main audience is. Even though they get like no engagement on here, they have a lot of followers and they're even verified. So that's huge. But yeah, funny enough, they get the most organic engagement on TikTok. So that goes to show how powerful TikTok is. But yeah, real quick video. Somebody on my team mentioned this store to me, and I just figured, you know what? Let me make a video about this. Maybe there's some gamers in my audience that, haven't really thought about how they can make a business in the gaming niche. So this is a great template, great example. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you start your Shopify store with the link in the description. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.